Hey, join us. Let's go and see the level of work in the Awka Millennium City. Construction has been going on here for some time, and the reason a lot of people are excited about the Millennium City is simply because it is one of a kind in not only Anambra but the entire eastern region. If the road to the Millennium City is as clean as this, it is dual carriageway, well paved, with drainages covered and pedestrian, with flowers in the middle, how will the inside be? How will inside the Millennium City look like when it is finished? Before we drive into the Millennium City to see how the massive construction is going on, let's get up in the air to get a bird's eye view of the whole area. Yes, let's do justice to the Millennium City. But before we do that, remember to support us by subscribing to our channel. Click the subscribe button and enable notification. Thanks. This is the proper way to do it. This is the way to go. Critical city infrastructure should be built before homes or other buildings will be constructed. Most of the time, it is the other way around. In fact, it is people and private developers that drive estate development instead of the government. They build homes in new estates without proper planning. People provide power lines to these new estates. Even water supply is borne by the citizens who build in some of these new estates. All this has changed with the Millennium City project. As you can see, critical infrastructure like roads, drainages, water, and so on are being built in this estate. What they should do after construction of the roads is to make sure that vehicles that will supply materials like sand, gravels, and all that is required for home building should wash their tires before leaving the construction sites. Yes, all those huge trucks that bring sand, even laterites that they use to fill foundations and all that, they should wash their tires before leaving the construction site. Yes. Even entry points to this estate should be equipped with pressure washers that will be used to wash vehicle tires before entry. These little things shouldn't be taken for granted. It's time we started treating our urban roads like our sitting rooms. No one enters his sitting room with mud or sand under his shoes. The Millennium City should be an exemplary estate in Nigeria, where the streets are clean and serene. If trucks do not wash their tires after leaving the construction sites, you can imagine how the whole roads will look like after a few months. It will be filled with mud and sand, and when other vehicles run on them, they will become dust, which is not only hazardous to health, but will in no time deface the buildings and the entire serenity of the estate. Also, when it rains, rainwater will quickly wash all the sand on the road into the drainages, which will in turn block the drainages, and flood water will no longer have anywhere to go. It will ultimately result in flooded streets. Anyway, the first phase of the Millennium City you are looking at right now is sold out. The first phase is a quarter of the entire size of the estate. The entire land size is 100 hectares. It is quite huge. This project is a joint venture between the Anambra State government and a private investor. If you missed buying a plot in the first phase, you can still buy one when they start selling the second phase. If they finish constructing the critical infrastructure around here, they will start building the residential homes and few office blocks that are part of the design of this estate. Also, people who bought plots can now move in and start constructing them when they finish the critical infrastructure. We all look forward to the construction of the homes and hope that more of such estates like the Millennium City will be built not only in Anambra but other states across the country, so that people can have access to affordable homes with better living conditions. Wonderful people, if you love what you are seeing, make sure to subscribe to our channel and enable notification. We'll be bringing you more updates on developments around the country. Also, make sure to like the video, because the more you like it, the more it is shown to other people. Thanks.